Hey guys, it's LaRosa, and sometimes you got to pick up two crazy women at the airport that came from Louisiana to drive this sign all the way back to New Orleans. I mean, my gosh, David, he's our glass artist you hear us talk about all the time. He got on this. We did this one, guys, in like 7 days.
Don't tell him that.
Don't tell him.
It's a 30-day turnaround.
30th wedding anniversary, so they took mercy on me.
That's exactly right. She bought it off the internet, and I was like, holy cow, I have to build a sign.
We're going to do divorce after this.
She said she feels like Dora the Explorer, right? But she got this for her husband. They have a Cessna 400, and this is going in the hangar, guys. Hey, guys, fly safe. Have fun. Viva LaRosa.
Now it's official.
It's official.
Well, we got it in there.
We got Anthony a big sign.
A big sign.
Everything's bigger in Texas.
Picked up a little beef jerky on the way. It's just big.
We flew there. We took 2 airlines, 2 planes.
What a pisser.
Canceled flights. The most vicious storms. Flooded Dallas. We saw some groundhog.
Angelle has lied to her husband.
I can't lie.
About where she's been and what she's been doing. Pitiful.
Put your engine off and place your hands in plain view.
All I got to say is everything's bigger in Texas.
What's up? What y'all doing? Oh, you bought it. That's why he wouldn't sell me one?
The truth shall set you free.
Cheers to 30 years.
Woohoo!
That's badass.
Yeah, it's sweet. She sent me a picture of it yesterday.
Oh, you knew about it? That's why you're here? That's why I'm here. Oh.
Look, this is the last one he's making. 1 of 5. This is 5 of 5. They got Fat Tire Cowboys right here, and he's got a plaque right there that says, and he signed it on the back. You see the plaque? He's got a plaque on there.